Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you best 4K video project setting in Camtasia video editing software. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to be sure you open up your Camtasia video editing software. After you open up your Camtasia video editing software, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Edit tab from the top right here. Click on Edit tab, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply come down to the bottom right here under the Preferences. Simply click on that, and the preferences window is going to pop up right here. Right, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to project tab right here. You are here. So what you need to do is to simply click on canvas dimension right here. Then here you see different drop down of different resolution of video. So what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. We have 4K UHD, which is 3840 by 2160 UHD. So what you need to do is to simply select on that. But if you are using Camtasia lower version than Camtasia 2023, because that is what I'm using in this tutorial, what you need to do is to simply click on here, and then you have to click on custom. Then clicking on custom right here, you have to type in the figure, the 3840 here and 2160 right here. You are still going to get the same result. So it's as simple as that. So I'm going to simply go back to this particular format, which is 4K video editing. Then the next thing we want to do here is frame rate. So right here, click on here. You can leave it in 30 frame rate per second. That's simple as that. Then right here, when adding high frame rate media 60% per second to a project, so always keep project at current frame rate. Always convert the project to the higher frame rate. So ask me every time I'm trying to import in project. So right here, I'm going to leave it in always keep the project at the current frame rate, which is 30 frame rate right here. Once you are done, simply hit on OK, go, and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how and the best way to set your 4K video editing project in Camtasia video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.